Samsung has been working on AR, augmented reality, and VR, virtual reality, products for years. The company released various smartphone-powered Gear VR headsets over the years but ended the lineup a couple of years ago. However, the company now seems to be working on AR glasses to rival Apple's rumored AR headset, and the first official concept videos have leaked. Two leaked videos, published by Twitter user WalkingCat, @H0x0D_, show how Samsung's first AR glasses could look and what features they could offer. Dubbed Samsung Glasses Lite, the company's AR glasses could project a giant virtual screen in front of a user's eyes so that they can watch movies and play games. They could also use Samsung's DeX mode to let users be more productive without a need for a monitor or a computer. Previous patents from the company also reveal how it could use AR glasses to ease the driving experience. The glasses could also offer a first-person view from a drone's camera, complete with telemetry. When going outdoors, they could double up as sunglasses with their sunglasses mode and offer auto-dimming. Another video shows the company's AR glasses letting a user see digital 3D objects in the real world, similar to Microsoft's HoloLens. They could let users explore 3D objects, such as architectural plans, via AR simulation and be a part of immersive holographic video calls. Interestingly, the leaked concept videos show the ability to control AR glasses using a Galaxy smartwatch rather than controlling it using mid-air gestures or taps. Apple and Facebook are also said to be working on AR glasses/headsets. While Apple already has a smartwatch lineup, Facebook is rumored to be working on an Android-based smartwatch. Only time will tell if these concept videos from Samsung would actually turn into actual products. The South Korean tech giant has all the money and technology in the world to become a driving force in the AR glasses segment in the future. For more informative videos, subscribe to my channel.